And I must say that I'm very lucky to have students over the years who have become like friends, like family, and most of them are multi-talented. Not only they paint, they draw, but they do a lot of other things also, and they are very socially also aware. So such people are really asset not to Tulika Art Center and me, but to the society. So I'm very happy that when I have people like Pooja Gumar, then we had in the last few weeks, we have been doing this heart to heart talk with other students. So as I said before, ये लोग सब ना सिर्फ मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं बट दे आर लाइक अ फैमिली. और उनके साथ बात करना, उनके साथ उनकी जर्नी, उन्होंने क्या क्या किया और क्या कर रहे हैं, वो मुझे लगता है दूसरे लोगों के लिए भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. Hello Rupali, you have joined. Hi. And soon we will connect with Pooja and we'll talk with her like what she's been doing over the years. She is, as I said, very beautiful lady, very nice looking. Not only that, Pooja, I'm praising you. When you come, I will not be able to. So, hello Rupali, happy to see you here. So, I will invite Pooja now, and Pooja will be with us. Connect with me. So, Pooja, can you start? There she is.
Hello,
As I said,
ma'am.
beautiful, beautiful Pooja.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. So, how was your day today, being Sunday? It's always
Being
very
Sunday,
rush for you.
so the morning was very relaxed, but I had a surprise visit from my daughter and son-in-law and little granddaughter of mine who just turned 1 year old. So it was very good. We had lunch together, and
Right.
yeah, here I am with you.
How lovely. I was looking forward to.
Yeah,
And
same here, ma'am.
yeah, as I told before you joined, I said you are multi-talented. And
Oh,
not only
wow.
you do painting and craft and drawing with me and at home too, but you are having so many other hobbies. And what are other your what you do, a lot of things that over the time we will talk to people. We have Dr. Anjali Joshi with us. I'm sure
Hi,
you know her.
Anjali. Hi, Dr. Anjali. How have
And
you been?
I think you were there in one of the workshops together.
Yes,
I
we were
though I don't
together.
remember. Yeah. So your daughter is
Probably,
there.
no, she left. She's gone home. Time for
Oh,
her
so
daughter to have a dinner and
Tanya
sleep.
Malhotra is not your daughter.
Yeah, Tanya Malhotra is my daughter. So she's
So there
online,
she
right?
is.
Yeah, yeah. She said
Yeah.
she'll go home to join and she'll hear our conversation.
See, this is the beauty of it, that
Right.
now we can all sit at home and be with each other, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yeah. True,
Yeah,
very true.
right. My voice is fine with you. You can hear me
Yeah,
properly?
it's fine with me, yes. And how about you, ma'am? Can you hear me well?
Yeah, it's fine. Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
great.
So let's start with Pooja. How you came to Tulika Art Center, or how we met. I'm sure it was many years ago.
So this is at least, ma'am, 30 years back, 28 to 30 years back. We
30
used to,
years.
yes. So I met you then. We used to conduct drawing competition in Lokhandwala complex where I used to live then. So every second October, we had a drawing painting competition for all the residents, all the children from, say, 5 year old to senior citizens, whoever wanted to participate. And
Yeah.
I was one of the ardent workers for this drawing competition. So it was my duty to get judges to select the winners. And I was proposed your name by Mrs. Karkera, who lived in Accord building in Lokhandwala. You're known to her.
Okay.
And one
So
Mr.
Mrs. Karkera,
Myself,
you are saying auntie.
Auntie, Karkera Auntie. I'm
Okay,
talking of
okay,
auntie because auntie used
okay.
to also help us a lot in those days. And also
Okay.
there was one artist called Mr. Michael. I don't know if you remember him, but he also was aware about your painting and art classes and all that. And so I was told to call you as one of our judges. And that was the first time I extended an invite to you on a personal call, and I requested you to come over as a judge. In those days, I think Hina had come to you for classes, so she knew who Mitul ma'am was. And when I extended the invitation to you, you very willingly accepted the invitation and you came for the competition. You were there with us for 2, 3 hours. You did all the judgments and you were there for the prize distribution. And that's my first meeting with you. And that day I learned you have classes at Tulika out at SB Road. And ever since then, I wanted to join your classes, come over to do all the paintings and multimedia. But in those days, my daughter was small and she needed to be looked after. My in-laws were ailing, so they needed my help. And then I gave that a backseat and I finished all my responsibilities. And ever since my daughter is married, I have been with Tulika. I was free now. I was free now since 8 years to go back to my passion, go back to my hobbies. And basically, ma'am, I am a student of textiles. So I did my MSc specializing in textile and clothing. So
Oh, really?
textile designing, yeah. So textile designing was a subject amongst the others that I did. So in those days, there were rollers and screens which were used for printing purposes. So there was a way of designing, drawing, and making sketches for the screen, and then those sketches were fitted on the screen, and the screen printing or roller printing was carried out. So a roller, if the roller had a diameter of say 20 inches, then the design would be only of 20 inches, and then that would be repeated on the fabric. So we did
Okay.
textile designing where on the paper, as per the size of the roller or as per the size of the screen, we had to create designs. And that was done manually. That was done by doing drawings and paintings to give the color shades and everything. So since that was a part of our subject, we had a drawing class every week wherein
Okay.
we did designs for saris, printing saris, or printing the tapestry, printing the curtain material, printing press material. So like commercial arts, students go to college for commercial arts. Their commercial arts sir used to teach us those kind of drawings.
Good. Very
So
nice. See, now your friend Hina Ben, my student, and my very,
yes,
very
hi
close
Mrs.
friend
Ma'am.
Hina Gandhi is there. So,
Yeah,
hello,
Hina
Hina
Gandhi is
Ben.
there.
Yeah, nice to be connected with you. We
Hi
are
Hina.
missing you in class. And Jashrekha Ben, you know, Jashrekha, she was with you in one of the workshops.
Yes, she's been
Uh,
with us for a lot of workshops, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Though last 2 years I have not been coming because my daughter was pregnant and we had a baby in the house, so time did not permit me to come and join the classes. But I always missed class last 2 years. Whenever you had a Siporex class, I wanted to come, but I could not make it. So I used to write to you, ma'am, I cannot make it this time. Next time, ma'am, I cannot make it this time. But yeah, I have
But
very
now next
fond
next
memories.
I must tell you, next Ciporex class you must come. It
I
is
am
really
waiting for the
lovely.
next Siporex class. I was showing my daughter today all the Siporex crafts that people had done. I was going through the pictures and I showed her. I said, "This is one class I really want to do."
Yeah.
The
So there
Siporex
we
is
have
something which
Payal
I
also.
made.
Payal, you know, I don't
And
know whether you know Payal. If you see her, you
if
will
I
know
see
her.
her, yes, if I see her, I will know. Probably I am not able to face and her picture and her name together. But I'm sure when I see her, I'll know, okay, this is fine.
Then we have Dr. Himali Maniyar also from Ahmedabad. She has joined. She was very small. She used to come to my class. And then her sister also joined. So this way, you know, there's a very big family I have. Hello, Himali. Nice that you are there. Then we have Deepak sir, who is our calligraphy teacher. He
Calligraphy
has also
teacher.
joined.
In fact,
So
when my
and
daughter was pregnant and she was resting, I told her, okay, ma'am has a calligraphy class. So she had a little difficult pregnancy, so she was on bed rest and stuff. But I was telling her, I said, if your health permits, go and do this calligraphy. My daughter does very good calligraphy. So I told her, do this
right.
advanced course with ma'am.
So Deepak sir is also with us for calligraphy class. He lives away in Madhya Pradesh, near Indore. So this is way we are connected with all different people from different localities.
Right.
Uh, so
It's so
Pooja,
much
as we
nice,
were
so
talking
much
about,
nice.
yeah, as we were talking about your journey, so now tell me more about it. Like, how did you pursue your career in this? Anything you did after you finished your studies,
So,
or
no, ma'am. No, ma'am. I did not do. I was basically, I wouldn't call a housewife. I can call myself a domestic diva because we Punjabis, generally, our families don't allow us to go out and work as work and get money. So, as soon as I finished my MSc, I got married. I had a set of responsibilities at home. So I can only say that all my education helped me be a good wife, a good daughter-in-law, and a good mother. So
good, very nice,
I used all my education in my household. And
lovely.
I can say that I'm sure my family is very happy with whatever I have done for them. But at the back of the mind, I used all my art, I used all my skills in running the house, doing the Ganpati decor, and cooking. Cooking was also a part of our subjects in the first and second year of home science. So cooking and the cleaning, running the house, teaching my daughter. I didn't need tuitions for her till she was in her 10th grade. I used to teach her because I myself was educated, so I could help her there. And I can say that, yeah, I use my education in doing all this.
Lovely.
And
And,
I'm
and
aware.
and Pooja, I must interrupt you because whenever I have visited your house, it is really very artistically decorated. So
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
yes,
Yeah, so
and
I used all whatever I have learned, I used it in putting it up in my house, and I think that is also a success in your education. I can say that. Maybe I did not bring
true.
a packet of money in the house, but I have saved a lot of money of my husband in doing things myself.
And he's very happy. He's always very, happy when he
Yes,
sees
he's
your
very
decoration.
happy.
I've seen him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's very happy. Ma'am, whenever I have been doing Ganpati Puja for so many years, where I grew up in my childhood, they used to do a Ganpati Puja, and my neighbors they taught me everything about Ganpati Puja, Aarti, decoration, and all that. So when my daughter was small, I was very keen to do it myself. That time I had seen it do, I wanted to put it to practice. I so all the decoration that whatever you do for the mandap, ma'am, we've been doing it ourselves. My niece is
Like
so fond of it.
what do you use mainly?
So,
Because
so 1 year what we did was we brought a thermocol base temple and we decorated that with mirrors and a lot of mirror work and then we put a whole roof of those series of lights. I'll show you some pictures if I have them.
yeah.
And then 1 year I said, I want to make a Kailash Parvat. Since
Oh,
childhood, I wanted to do that, and I don't know why I wanted to do it, but I wanted to do that. So I'll show you before the Kailash Parvat, I'll show you the picture of the thermocol that I was telling you. So this is it. See if you can see it.
yeah. Bring it closer. Bring it closer to the camera. Oh,
So
okay.
the
So
base of the thermocol base I bought, and all these
okay,
mirrors we stuck them ourselves, and then we
okay,
created this ladder, and we did this railing to the ladder.
okay.
So
Now
we
it's
created like
visible.
a whole,
All right.
so we created it like a temple, 5 steps up, and then we had this railing, which is again of thermocol. So we painted the thermocol, and we decorated it all with mirrors. And see, you can see the roof of the lights.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then this is like light ka matki. It's a matki on a pillar. The pillars are also painted and decorated with mirrors. And then we
Right.
have the light coming out from that. And all
Okay.
this, ma'am, we have been doing it ourselves. I've been doing it myself. I have my niece and my daughter who help my brother, my bhabhi. They all help in doing things, but we do it ourselves. We don't call anybody from out to do this. This is another one. This is Samai, the diyas that you use. So we have
Okay.
the diyas up there. These are
Yeah.
also made of thermocol. We painted these and we had them on top, and then we have the roof as a fabric this time. So
Lovely.
different things. Then it came to my mind that I want to do what do you call Kailash Parvat. So we created these mountains
Okay.
and I painted all the mountains. This is the light effect, so you can't see the colors properly. But all these mountains, ma'am, we made using POP and jute fabric. See, if I go into details, you can see the painting.
Okay. Lovely.
Can you
This
see
is
that?
jute.
Yeah, this is jute. So I dipped the jute in POP, wet POP, and then I shaped it like this with the wooden sticks inside to give the shape. And then we dried it on that frame. And then I painted all
Okay.
these mountains.
Lovely.
So
Excellent.
this was one dream come true that I wanted to do somehow. And this was like, yes, I achieved it. And so that was really nice. So I used my painting skills there. So even if I
Lovely.
couldn't come to class that time, but I did that.
And you always invite me for your Ganesh ji.
Yes, and
And
then every time I invite you and you cannot make it to come, but I
I came
remember
once.
that you came once, yes. You came once.
Yes,
That was
yes,
so nice,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah. And we have Chandrika Kamath, who is a very excellent teacher of art and craft, and she is my friend also. And I have also learned little from her, some crafts.
Uh-huh.
She's also joined. So
Oh,
she's
very
saying
nice.
hello to you.
Hello, Chandrika ma'am. Good to know you. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at Tulika's very soon.
Yeah. Then
Then when I
we have many friends from Madhya Pradesh have joined, like
hello
Shubham is there.
everybody.
Yeah.
Hello.
So, yeah. So Pooja, how did you come to Tulika Art Center?
So as soon as my daughter was married, I was totally free. There was a vacuum in my life. I used to wonder kya karna hai. The best was to join Tulikas, which I had been waiting for last 30 years to do that. So I came to Tulikas, and the first painting that I did was knife painting.
Oh, yes, I
That
forgot about this.
you forgot about that, man. That was my first painting. That was the knife
Oh,
painting.
yes, but it's looking so nice till now. It is so
Yes,
beautiful.
it is still
And
there, and it has been put up in my husband's office. So he
oh,
really boasts of, and he says, "My wife has made this."
oh, this is lovely.
Yeah,
Thanks, thanks. Thank you very much for sharing this.
yeah. This is really beautiful. I went to office 2 days back, so I clicked a picture that I'll show it to you when I come on this talk show.
Okay, great, lovely.
And after I finished this knife painting, I did a very beautiful multimedia, which took a lot of time, but it is one of the masterpiece of mine. I'll show this. Those are three ladies going to the
Uh,
temple.
the
They're
focus is
walking
not
down the
good,
steps.
Pooja.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Oh, yes. They are getting down.
They are walking
Okay, you
down the
can
steps.
scroll.
They
Yeah,
are walking down
walking
the
down the
steps
stairs.
and they are going to the temple. And that's a small little Ganesh
Yes.
temple there, and they're going to visit that temple.
Oh,
And then we
yes.
have a
Oh,
nice
yes.
big plant of champa there. And
Yeah.
we made these roses with ensil, the champa flowers and leaves with ensil. It was fun,
Yes.
ma'am, learning this and doing this particular piece was really beautiful. The journey was very nice. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this piece.
This is quite a big painting, isn't it?
Yes, it took us a while. It took us 4 or 5 months to complete it because we used to come to class twice a week. So it took some time, but
No, but
was
what is
super.
the size? Pooja?
Size, size was 6 by 4, ma'am.
6 feet by 4 feet.
6 feet by 4 feet.
My God, dear. Quite a big.
And and then I did some pots with roses on the pot, and I gifted that pot to my friend who had a housewarming. So she was very happy when she learned that I'm with Tulikas and I'm making pots. So we did a pot painting and we did nice flowers on that, roses on that. By then I had mastered making the roses. So that pot really turned out very good. I'm sorry I don't have a picture of that, but it was a very beautiful pot. It's there on
And
Tulika's.
yeah, and some students in the class used to tell you to make roses for them.
To make roses, yes. That's a very good friend, Renu ji. She used to love my roses, and she said, "कैसे बना लेते हो आप इतने सुंदर roses?" I said, "आपको भी सिखा दूंगी." So yeah, it
तो
was nice.
आपने रेणु जी के लिए काफी रोज बना के दिए थे।
थोड़े से बनाए थे, but yes, why not?
और अभी जो जितने लोग साथ में हैं वो सभी लोग रेणु जी को पहचानते हैं। आई होप शी हैज जॉइंड।
I called Renu ji the other day and I told her I would love you to join this and be
या
there a part of it. So she is in Hyderabad off late with her son and she said that I will definitely try to join, but there is some repair work going on in that house, renovation going on. So she said if I
हाँ,
can log in, I will definitely log in. Otherwise, I'll catch up later on.
ओके,
But I did have a
ग्रेट
word
ग्रेट।
with her.
And Pooja, I must tell you that to catch up later, there is Payal who helps us.
Right,
You know,
Payal, we really have a lot of people who will want to catch up later on. So please do the recording and post it on our Tulika's group so we can
yeah,
forward it to
she's
whoever
always
wants to see.
very helpful. I am so thankful
Very
to
nice,
her,
yeah.
so I should not
Thank you
thank
so
her.
much, Payal. Yeah. No, no, we'll thank her for it. It's a very
Yeah,
nice, noble cause, and since she's so good at it, she deserves an applause. Thank you, Payal.
right. And tell me, how was the lockdown period for you? What did you do?
So, lockdown was for me a relaxation, I must say, against everybody who's been really working at home and cooking and washing and cleaning and dusting and mopping. But for me, touch wood, I had my domestic help. She was here, she couldn't go to her village. So by default, she stayed home and she was a big help. So I had a lot of free time, ma'am, and I did lot of drawings in the lockdown. So every morning I
Okay,
used to finish my chores, and by 12 o'clock I used to sit with my book. Very unfortunately, ma'am, at that time I didn't have any canvas in the house. I only had charcoal when I did the charcoal class last in your Tulikas. So I had
yeah,
charcoal and I had my sketchbook. I had some oil colors, but there was no canvas. So I used to take my book and I used to sit doing charcoal and pencil work. So I did a lot of charcoal work, I'll show you. And then
yeah.
when I used to come to Tulikas, there was one girl who used to sit and do eyes and nose and lips. And I said, that is one work area which I have not worked on. I was never good at doing human features. So I was telling you, ma'am, I'm going to do this class with you. So in the lockdown, I took to YouTube. I saw 2, 3 videos, and I learned to do eyes. I learned to do nose. I learned to do lips,
Lovely.
and then I made all black and white with charcoal, whatever work I could do. Then one of the days, some days the shops opened. Somebody in my building told me that Raj stationery वाला दुकान खोलता है आपको क्या चाहिए आप ले लो वहाँ से. She gave me the phone number and he said I can come and take the what do you call canvas from him. So ma'am, I went and bought the canvas and I started doing painting because I had colors. So I'll show you all my lockdown work. I did this charcoal.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Very, very beautiful, Pooja. Really nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. And then I did this.
Okay, good.
That's again charcoal. And since I got the canvas, I did this.
Very good. This is with the watercolor or acrylic?
No, this is with acrylic. So the day I went to
Okay.
buy the day I went to buy the canvas, I was short
Yeah.
of some of all colors, so I bought acrylic, the whole set of acrylic colors, and I did
Yeah.
this with acrylic colors.
Okay.
And then I did this. See this, ma'am?
Okay. Little closer. Yeah. Yes. Now I can see. Very good. Pooja, good attempt. Very good.
So I did this and kept me busy. I was very happy doing this. And then when things started moving, then we started working. So offices started from home. My husband is still working from home. So once in a week, my daughter comes home to help him out with his work. She's been also working last 8, 10 years, 10, 11 years now. Then I was babysitting her, so I stopped my painting. And
Okay.
now I'm getting ready for my Ganpati. So I will make laddus for prasad also at home, which is a good number,
But
good quantity.
when you say laddus for prasad, I must tell everyone that Pooja makes very tasty achar.
Ah,
And
yes,
every year I get bottle full of achar, of Punjabi achar.
yeah, very typical Punjabi achar.
Yeah.
So last year, ma'am, we made 50 kilos of achar, 50 kilo
Oh dear.
cherry ka achar. Yes, last year we made that.
Acha. Oh,
There are a lot of people who like it, and a lot of people whom we send, family and friends. So every year the quantity increases by 10 kgs.
yeah. 10 kgs every year extra.
Yeah,
Okay,
extra.
okay.
So one of my
Right.
friend who lives in Canada also asks for that achar and she says मेरे हिस्से का रख देना फ्रिज में जब भी मैं आऊंगी तब मैं ले जाऊंगी. So whenever she used to visit her mom, she lives in Pune. So she used to whenever she visited us, she took her share of achar. I still have a bottle for
Okay.
her whenever she comes.
Okay.
अब नहीं आएगी तो next year ले जाएगी fresh बनेगा. This year we didn't make any because of the lockdown, no achar.
So what is the speciality of your Punjabi achar? What ingredients you put? Let us also have some secret recipe.
No, no, there's no secret recipe. I will give it out. The specialty of this achar is we put white Kabuli chana in that, which
Okay.
generally other communities don't use chana in the achar. So that is the highlight
Huh.
of the achar.
Huh.
We use about 1 kg of chana in 10 kgs of mango, kacha curry.
Hmm. Hmm.
The other masalas are sauf, kalonji, methi. Sauf and kalonjis are the two things which are very typical of Punjabi achar. There's no
Okay.
Punjabi achar without sauf and kalonji. And the others are namak, haldi, methi seeds everybody uses for achar. And namak, haldi, mirchi. That's all. These are the 6 things we use. And sarson ka tel. Our achar is made in sarson ka tel, mustard oil. Whereas no other community uses sarson ka tel for achar. Maybe the Bengalis do, I don't know. But we use
Yeah.
sarson ka tel. And that gives it a different flavor.
Right. But then your laddus are also as special.
Yes, my laddus are. You have tasted my laddu. So tomorrow I will start making the laddus. I will make them in 3 to 4 installments. And
Huh.
I have my friends are telling me even if you don't invite us for Ganpati because of the social distancing and the coronavirus in the air, but we want our share of laddus. So we will drive down to your building and we will take our laddus and go. But so you don't think
Oh dear.
that if you
Very
don't invite
nice.
us, we don't get our laddus. Laddus we get. So tomorrow I start doing the laddus. It takes me 3 days, ma'am, to complete the laddus, the amount of laddus that I make. It's a slow
Okay.
process. It takes 3 hours, 3 hours and more to bonify the basin, 2 kilos of basin. And last year we made uh, laddus of 10 kilos of basin.
Hmm.
So this is all wholesale factory, small scale industry. So nothing is
Lovely.
left here. Yeah, yeah. And since we have
But
small buttons in the house,
now Hina Ben is a witness that I and Hina Ben and I think someone else also we came to your house to
yeah,
have
we had a
special
nice
sarson
lunch.
ka saag.
Renu ji, Hina, and you and me. We had a nice lunch at
Lunch.
home. Sarson ka saag.
Yeah.
You remember
So
that?
these
We had
are
a
all,
nice afternoon.
and then we had adda of singing.
हाँ जी,
We, हम लोग ने बैठ के गाने भी गाए थे.
गाने भी गाए थे, यस। आपका इतना बढ़िया बैकग्राउंड है, यू डॉटर ऑफ सच अ renowned lyricist. My pranam to Bapuji, such a wonderful lyricist, really. I've been hearing his songs from the time I was a small kid, and देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। हम लोग छोटे थे, नहीं समझ में आता था कि ऐसा क्यों है, इंसान कहाँ से बदल गया। And as we grew up, we learned the meaning, the depth of the songs. Really nice. Wonderful writing, ma'am. Really. You are blessed to be his daughter.
So yeah, I'm sure, yes, that is true. Blessed
Yeah.
to be know him and be with him for so long time.
Yeah.
Pooja, your बाजा पेटी is a very special thing. एक आप लोगों का एक ग्रुप है बाजा पेटी. सही
Yes,
बोल रही हूँ मैं
yes,
नाम?
yes. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो। एंड बाजा पेटी मतलब एक अजीब सा नाम है, बट बहुत बढ़िया नाम भी है। इट्स बिकम सो प्रसिद्ध। Many people know there's some group called Baja Peti. So this
हाँ.
Baja Peti is a group of music lovers.
हम्म.
Everybody amongst our friends circle who are fond of music, fond of singing, fond of hearing good music, we all collected together one day. And my husband's friend is a very good singer. So they were introduced to him for last so many years. So he was here in town. So we all invited all our friends, come, let's get together. Funny is here and he sings very good. So there have been times where this friend came and we sat up late night till the wee hours in the morning, till 4, 5 a.m. And Funny used to sing and we used to sing along with him. So it had been a long lapse, and he came after some 15 years. And then he came, so we invited all our friends, and we all had a nice music session in our house. And then we have another friend, Dr. Anand, and he suggested that since everybody enjoyed so much, let's contribute a little bit of money and let's get together every month or once in 2 months, and we call for singers from out, and
Hmm.
we have a music collection of people and we enjoy the music. Why not? We should do that. Since you guys all we all had fun, let's make it more often. And that is the day the Baja Peti was born. And then my
Okay.
husband named it Baja Peti. I don't know for what, but he says Baja Peti naam rakh lete hain. So the Baja Peti became very prasiddh. So we contribute the nominal amount per couple, and we collect that money, and we used to call singers. And then the Baja Peti is at least 15-year-old now.
Okay.
And then, ma'am, in those days, we used to get a three-piece orchestra, a male singer and a female singer, all at a very nominal cost of 7,000 to 10,000, 8,000, 10,000. We used to get three live music orchestra pieces and two singers and the sound system. So it was not as
Per session.
expensive then per session. So we used to
Okay.
host it in our houses only. We used to take turns, and each one of us would host a music program in their house once in a month or once in 2 months at the most. And we used to
Okay.
call this orchestra. Dr. Anand started booking the orchestra guys and the singer with the sound system. And they would come. We would potluck the food. So everybody makes one dish. किसी को भारी नहीं पड़ता. And we used to have unlimited fun with music. So the
Okay.
audience is all music lovers and just barely 15 to 20 audience, and those three orchestra guys and two singers. Ma'am, time kahan nikalta? We are all in a trance on that day. It's so therapeutic and so much fun. And once these guys go, we sing ourselves
Okay.
because we are all in that music zone. So once these guys they are paid for, so they won't sing more than 3 hours at the most. So
Okay.
once they are done, and then we sit down कि चलो अभी हम बैठ के गाते हैं. So there have been times where we sat up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, and we are all singing songs. And Baja Peti has really become a part of us, integral part of us. We miss Baja Peti now. Last we had was in January. And after that, lockdown, because of the lockdown, we have not had any Baja Peti, but we
Okay.
are all looking forward to having one soon once things are better off. And
Okay.
hopefully they will be by November.
तो आप एक बाजा पेटी में से एक कुछ तो सुना दीजिए हमको, हमने पता है कि आप
हाँ,
बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं।
नहीं, मैं बहुत अच्छा नहीं गाती मैम, बट मुझे गाने का शौक बहुत है। दिल से गाती हूँ,
हाँ
अगर
तो
अच्छा भी
अच्छा
नहीं
है,
गाती तो दिल से गाती हूँ।
बस शौक ही जो चीज है वो आगे ले जाती है।
जी जी जी, बिल्कुल। मैं दो लाइंस गुनगुनाऊंगी, एंड दिस इज माय ट्रिब्यूट टू बापू कवि प्रदीप। आई रियली लव हिज लिरिक्स। ही राइट्स so beautifully, and right from the bottom of his heart. And these two lines that I'm going to sing are very, very, very nice. I love these lines for whatever reasons. I just love them, and very apt for what's happening today. तेरा कोई साथ ना दे तो खुद से प्रीत जोड़ ले। बिछौना धरती को करके अरे आकाश ओढ़ ले। यहाँ पूरा खेल अभी जीवन का तूने कहाँ है खेला। चल अकेला, चल अकेला, चल अकेला। तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा राही, चल अकेला। चल अकेला, चल अकेला, चल अकेला। तेरा मेला पीछे छूटा राही, चल अकेला। I
लवली
love this
लवली,
song, ma'am. It's such a beautiful song, in-depth
नाइस।
feeling. Thank you.
एंड समथिंग
जहाँ
एल्स टू।
okay. Let me think.
यू हैड टू थिंक एंड कीप इट रेडी।
ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में। ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागिनी में। ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा।
Excellent, excellent, excellent. This,
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
think, lockdown has given you more insight
Yes,
to get into some very soul-stirring songs, you know.
yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm very happy, and your son-in-law is writing that my mom is a rock star. That's
And
a
Hina is
compliment
writing
from your
रहे ना रहे
son-in-law.
हम गाने चाहिए. Thank you. And Hina has written रहे ना रहे हम गा. So
हाँ
this
तो
is for
गा
you,
लो
Hina.
थोड़ा सा.
This is for you, Hina. The third stanza is sing.
Everybody is appreciating.
रहे ना रहे हम महका करेंगे, बन के कली, बन के सबा, आगे वफा में। रहे ना रहे हम जब हम न होंगे, जब हमारी खाक पे तुम रुकोगे, चलते चलते अश्कों से भीगी चांदनी में एक सदा सी सुनोगे चलते चलते वहीं पे कहीं, वहीं पे कहीं हम मिलते रहेंगे, बनके कली बनके सबा बागे वफा में, रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे, बनके कली बनके सबा बागे वफा में, रहे न रहे हम.
Pooja, very nice, very nice, very nice.
Thank you,
Good.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
This is something I know that each and every person has something or the other hidden inside. And when you have such hobbies, sub likings like this, you always become a better human being. When you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
art, you have craft, you have singing, somebody's dancing, this makes you a better person in the society. And not having any kind of hobbies, any kind of liking, that shuts you down totally. वो अपने को
It
बंद
does.
कर
I'm
देता
sure it does. बिल्कुल.
है ना? This opens you up. So very nice, very well done. And I'm sure you are really enjoying your singing.
Yes, ma'am.
And yeah, I think what we can do once everything is normal, we should have a session with you, Jashreka Ben, then Payal, then those who are singing very well, all together. And
We'll do
we'll
that.
have a
And I will invite you for one of our Baja Petis, ma'am. You must come and meet everybody. Everybody is a wonderful human being, and more so, they are all music premies. And if we have you amongst us, and we hear you sing some of Pradeep ji's Rachna, it will be nothing like it. So we must. I want to invite you for one of our Baja Petis.
sure,
For
sure.
sure.
Once everything is normal, we are looking forward to all this kind of all
Yes,
sessions,
yes, yes,
meeting,
very much. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Even
And
during lockdown, Tulika Art Center was closed,
yes.
but now we have started online also,
Yes, I
which I
know. I
was very
wanted
happy.
to join online. You had one class the day my daughter was admitted in the hospital, so I could not join that class also. But
Yeah,
next
yeah.
I will
But
be there. I'll be there.
I'm sure you and I will have to force Hina Ben and you to join.
Yes, no,
Every
ma'am.
morning I'll call you.
We miss class. We miss you. We miss Tulika. I love that atmosphere of working there amongst the trees and amongst the natural light. I really love it, and I miss. I don't know. I cannot express to you how much I miss coming to class. I'm
Yeah.
so wanting to come back. So I'm waiting for you to restart, and I'll be there day one.
Yes, yes, yes. But even online, we are very happy because see, everybody's meeting. So it is not
Yeah,
just learning, but meeting, talking, everything is so positive. And there is
true.
no hassle. We are hassle free. So everything is happening. Now, one person who forced me to start was Dr. Anjali Joshi. And
Acha.
she told me, you must start online class. I said, no, I don't want to. She said, no, you must start. So then, yeah, first, second, now
Really
I'm
good,
enjoying.
ma'am. You started doing that. Yeah, I saw the other day the pictures of Jashreka Ben. You did charcoal and poster colors together. She made the Krishna. I saw the pictures later on, but I
Yes,
couldn't
yes.
join the class
We
because the
will be
timings were
soon
not suiting me.
posting. We will be soon posting in what has happened, and
Right,
we have had 2, 3 different classes, but we have not posted yet in the group because once everybody finishes, then
right.
2, 3 classes what we have done, we will post in the group. You will come to know.
I still
But I'm
have my
happy.
Northern Lights incomplete.
Sorry,
I still have my Northern Lights incomplete, and it's lying there in the class.
it
So
is still here,
yes, still there.
and
It's
you
incomplete,
have
and
to complete.
I will complete it, ma'am. My mind is there. During the lockdown, I was going to call you one of the days and tell you, ma'am, can I drop in and carry it home so that I can sit at home and work at it and I'll finish my Northern Lights. So I thought of doing that. I said, no, why should I trouble ma'am in going and hunting where it is kept? once we start the class, I'll go and get it done. हो जाएगा.
It
That's
is
not a
very,
problem.
it is very nicely, safely wrapped and kept.
Yes, I'm sure. I am not worried about it at all.
So, something I see behind you also. What is
Yes.
that?
So this is another piece of craft which I did. Actually, I made on a plywood as a rangoli for Diwali about
Okay.
9 years back. I thought, Diwali, ma'am, from my childhood, I have been doing rangoli with the rangoli colors, the traditional rangoli that we make. So it's been lot years that I did that. So I thought, chalo, let's bring a variety into doing a rangoli. Powder se bahut ki, we'll try some other techniques. So one year I did with flowers. The next year I did with thermocol. Thermocol balls I bought, orange and green, and I did a Ganpati with the orange thermocol balls and the background with green leaves and all. It turned out very beautiful. So likewise, every year I thought this year something new, this year something new, and then I made this. So this is a piece of ply on which I had a background copper color painted, and I drew this peacock myself. And then I painted the peacock, and then I used a lot of peacock feathers and crystals and mirror work to decorate that. So this is basically a rangoli. And when my friends came over and they saw, they said, "This is so beautiful. Why don't you just frame it and put it in your house? What will you do?" As a rangoli, I kept it on the floor outside my house for Diwali. And then on my friend's insistence, I framed it because it was nice. It was not going to degrade from anywhere since it's paints and mirror and crystal work and peacock feathers. ऐसे उसको खराब तो नहीं होगा तो बोले frame करके लगा दो. So this is one of my rangolis, and I also have one more rangoli to show you. So now I do rangolis like this. Oh, oh. Listen. Oh, I don't have the picture on this phone. It's in my phone, so I'll not be able to show you right now. वो रंगोली का mirror
Okay.
का photo. Yeah, I'll show it to you right away. Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
वो
Okay.
room वाला. उसका photo आपके
Okay.
इसलिए ले लो.
Okay.
So
So,
then the next year I got a carving of wood which was ready. Then I got it polished and I studied it with these diamantes, pink and silver. So I had used this also for rangoli, and then I put it up in my room as a wall piece.
lovely.
So this,
So you have
yeah,
different ideas also. This is what?
right, right, yeah.
Yeah.
This,
And I think you were keen on doing something on your clothes also, right? Painting on the clothes also once
yes,
we
fabric
decided to do.
painting, yes, yes. Fabric painting is still left. So this is, yeah, this is one rangoli I had made.
Oh, yeah,
This
this
is
is
the,
lovely. Very nice.
yeah, this
Very
is
attractive.
yeah, this is the wooden carving I bought from out, and then I got it, I polished it, and I did all the stone work on it.
Okay. It's lovely. Very nice. Good idea.
Yeah,
Very good.
so every year
So,
sorry,
so Pooja, what about fabric painting?
fabric painting I have yet to start. I want to do it.
Yeah.
I'll paint a sari or maybe a salwar kameez. I'll get it cut from the tailor, and then we'll do fabric painting. Well,
So
as soon
now
as you start, ma'am.
I have to hold you there because don't do any sari till I say, because we are going to do something next year for Durga Puja. अभी इस साल
Okay.
का दुर्गा पूजा तो चला गया, इस
हाँ,
साल तो
चला
नहीं
गया,
होगा,
होगा कि नहीं
है ना? अगर होगा भी तो it will be on a very low scale. But last year we had a very huge Durga Puja pandal and a very huge, जैसे आयोजन जो था ना वो बहुत बड़ा था. So our group of our ladies, our students like Jashreka Ben, Anjali Joshi, then Payal was there to help us in choreographing the steps for the
Yes,
stage.
I heard that you all had a ramp show. You all wore saris, self-painted saris, and you all had a ramp show. Damn good. I was
Yes,
so proud of you. And that time my
yes,
daughter has just delivered. So,
yeah.
but I know I
So
wasn't at.
yeah, so this year we are not doing anything, but next year के लिए you will be one of the participants. अभी से बता दूं, you and Hina
With
Ben have
all my
to join.
pleasure. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll be there. And we'll paint the
Yeah,
saris then, and we'll wear those saris.
that's right. So this is something, and this is to promote saris. अभी साड़ी का कल्चर ही पूरा चला गया. आप तो
I
रखो
know.
कल्चर, आप तो ठीक है, चलिए पंजाबियों का जो था वो, अभी तो सभी लोग पंजाबी बन गए.
Right.
साड़ीज कोई पहनता ही नहीं है, आप लोग ही
मैम
कॉपी कर रहे हैं सब लोग.
साड़ीज कोई नहीं पहनता, इसके लिए हमने बाजापेटी में रूल बना लिया था कि हमारे पास
हाँ,
इतनी सारी साड़ियां हैं, क्या करेंगे. सो द रूल ऑफ बाजापेटी इज ऑल द women will wear sarees. So for
या,
first 2, 3, 4 years, ma'am, both religiously we wore sarees. Very
हाँ,
religiously we wore sarees. And after which now we've come to pants and jeans and dresses. It's become easy.
हाँ,
That's the easiest thing to wear and leave, right? So कौन पहनेगा
हाँ.
साड़ी? And हीना को पूछो तो हीना की भाषा में कंटाळो आवे छे પહેરવામાં.
हीना बहन को कंटाल आता है पहनने का. So we'll have to force her to wear.
Yes, we
To
will
promote
have.
saris, promote handloom.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
what we have in our country, and we should keep that that culture alive. I guess
Absolutely.
so.
I love
So
wearing sarees.
I'm not forcing you, but Hina Gandhi has to wear saris next time she meets me.
Yes, Hina सुन रही है ना? She's writing. I already learned from you fabric painting, ma'am.
Okay, she has already learned fabric
Yes, she's
painting from
already
me. Yes,
learned.
yes. Yeah.
I have to do
So
fabric
this,
painting. Can do a dress.
right, right. So, this is what we have to promote, while doing something for society. क्या क्या कर
Yes.
सकते हैं जिससे हम
Why
लोग
not?
अपने
Why not,
कल्चर
ma'am?
को संभाल के रखें. तो
बिल्कुल.
तुलिका आर्ट सेंटर में ये भी सब चलता रहता है, जैसे हम लोगों ने दुर्गा
बिल्कुल
पूजा के लिए
चलना
किया.
चाहिए. यस मैम,
या,
बिल्कुल.
सो दैट
आपने
वाज
बहुत दुर्गा पूजा के लिए काम किया. आपने गणपति के लिए भी एक पंडाल बनाया था लास्ट ईयर, आई नो. एसपी रोड पे
यस,
ही अक्रॉस द गणपति. You
यस.
all painted
दो
some
साल
canvases for the Ganpati Pandal.
राइट, वो 2 साल तक हमने वो पंडाल किया, और उसमें भी सभी अपने ये जो सभी जो अभी आए हैं अपने ऑनलाइन है, अभी सुन रहे हैं,
सुन रहे
जश्रेका,
हैं.
अगेन आई एम टेलिंग सेम नेम्स, दे आर ऑलवेज विथ अस.
They are
एंड
always there. They are
ऑल
always there.
या, Dr. Anjali Joshi, they are always there. So now we are missing two of you.
Yeah, me too, ma'am. I'm really missing you. I cannot tell you how badly I'm missing class, and I'm so looking forward to join. The day you announce we are opening, I'll be there.
Yeah. So this is what we do. And tell me about your family, how much your husband is supporting you in this art, craft, painting,
Yes,
singing.
full 100-200% support from him for art craft. He wants me to make a mural. He's been telling me to make a mural, and I told him the day the classes open, a Siporex mural, I will go and make a nice, beautiful mural. He says, do a mural. I don't know why he's so fond of it. And I said, Siporex ka banayenge. It's lightweight also, and I want to learn Siporex, ma'am. I've been
Yeah.
so wanting to do the Siporex class. So I will make a nice, beautiful mural for him. And as far as anything is concerned, I have 200% support from my husband. Be it Baja Peti, be it music, be it art and craft, anything for that. There is no rock on that. Go
Right.
willingly, go
And
and do whatever you want to
I'm
do.
sure your daughter is always very happy when you make something, and she
Yes, yes,
always
very
appreciates so much.
absolutely. She loves all the things that I make, and she is the best critic I have. Anything I need to ask whether it is good, bad, and a very frank opinion I want, I'll take from her. So not to please me, you don't have to say it's good. I have another friend of mine who I look forward for a pure corrective criticism, which is called really healthy. If I need to improve there, I need to improve there. I don't want you to just say things, oh, yeah, it's very good, not for the sake of saying. But if it needs improvement, at which angle, which place it needs improvement. So these are the two people whom I ask always, my daughter and one of my friends.
Okay, lovely. That is what. If you are not, everything is okay, very nice, then
या नहीं, वो वेरी नाइस नहीं सुनना है, ये सुनना है कहाँ गलती है. Where is it
हाँ.
wrong? Where does it need correction? Where can I improve on doing this? Where is it not looking good? So when I ask for those kind of points where I need correction, then I ask my daughter, इसको कहाँ और correct कर सकता है? Do you think it's looking nice? Do you think this is right? Do you think the eye is not good? Do you think the nose is not looking nice? So I said, don't say it's nice. Say where I need to correct.
Right. So Pooja, soon we will come to an end, because मैंने 5 मिनट जल्दी शुरू किया था और 1
अच्छा.
घंटे में ये खत्म हो जाता है. तो
नो प्रॉब्लम, टाइम कहाँ निकल गया पता ही नहीं चला।
हाँ हाँ वही। लेकिन अभी आप कंटिन्यू रखो। अभी ऐसा नहीं
बिल्कुल
सोचो
मैम।
कि अभी धीरे धीरे लॉकडाउन खुल गया तो हो गया खत्म। नो, प्लीज
नहीं नहीं
कीप
नहीं मैम,
डूइंग योर।
आफ्टर गणपति अगेन आई विल हैव माय ब्रशेस एंड माय कैनवस इन माय हैंड।
या सो कीप डूइंग इट, बिकॉज अभी और हमको और शायद कुछ दिन और घर में रहना पड़ेगा, है ना?
या घर पे रहेंगे,
तो
करेंगे।
and you must take care of yourself and don't go out too much,
यस
right?
मैम,
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नहीं
So
जाएंगे। या
right, so you can say thank you to everybody.
थैंक यू गाइस,
And
इट वाज रियली लवली। You all were there for our show. You all heard us. You all got our views, and we read all your comments there. Thank you so much for being with us. It was really lovely, and looking
और
forward
कोई
to lovely times with you all ahead.
or
जी,
your some family and friends and all have joined, उनको भी बता दीजिए
yes.
और कुछ बात करनी है तो।
And then I think time हो गया ना मैम, you'll have to this thing wind up. And
ठीक है।
I will say thanks to all of them and personally thank them all again on my
Right.
groups for being there with me and listening to all of us. It was really
Yeah,
nice,
right.
ma'am, talking to you. I've been really missing class and I'm so looking forward to rejoin as soon as the lockdown is over. The day you announce your opening, I'm there.
Okay. Yes, of course, of course. Yes, once everything is settled, we will.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Pooja, thank you very much. Now I'll be
Thank
winding
you.
up.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Thank you so much. And Payal will
right.
wait for the recording on the group, please.
Yeah, she will do it. She is always there to help, you know. So,
Yeah.
Jashreka Ben, thank you very much. You remember her? Jashreka was always there
Yes,
with you in all the
yes, yes,
classes
yes. I remember
from the
Jasrika,
beginning.
those big paintings. She was doing scan glass when I was doing my knife painting. A huge one.
Yes, correct. Yes. And she did it so beautifully, and it is
So
really
beautifully,
looking so
very
nice in her
beautifully.
house.
Very nice. Yes.
Yeah.
That I have not seen, but I
So,
saw the making of it. It was really very beautiful.
yeah. Thank you, Chandrika ji, for joining. Bye. And everybody, bye. Now I'm
Thank
going to
you
wind
and
up.
bye bye everybody. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much
Uh,
for the whole thing.
right. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Right. Bye.